Hello everyone and welcome back to TravelSolo Channel. And this time I'm here at my flat here in Ras Al Khaimah, UAE. And today I just went to the mall and I found this Iqos, which is, I actually use this for I think a year now. And this has helped me um, to lessen smoking because I really smoke a lot before. But I have this Iqos Duo, which I bought from Germany when I went to Germany in 2021. So now I found a new device that is a different, it's still from Iqos, and it's called Iqos Lumina. Yes, Iqos Lumina, and it's different. So I found it in the mall today, so I got really interested to buy it and try it because I've seen one of my colleagues using it and it seems to be better than the old model. So I have here from Iqos, and here it is. So this is the Iqos Lumina. Yeah, Iqos Lumina. Iluma, sorry. It's Iqos Iluma. Yeah, it's Iqos Iluma. So I bought this for 280 dirhams. And it's good because it says to be a self-cleaning, so I don't have to clean unlike the old Iqos. So this is the brochure, the product brochure, and I bought also the same color, which is green. So it says that it emits on average 75% lower levels of harmful chemicals compared to cigarettes. So I just want to make a disclaimer. I'm not encouraging everyone or anyone to do smoking or to use this device. This is not good for your health. For me, I use this because I'm trying to stop smoking, and this helped me to reduce the amount of cigarettes that I used to smoke before. So I'm trying to stop gradually, because before, when I tried to stop and it was an abrupt stop, it only lasts for several weeks, and then I went back again to smoking. So this has helped me reduce smoking, and until today, since January this year, I never had smoked a real cigarette. So this has really helped me reducing the amount of cigarette intake. So what I'm going to do is we're going to unbox this new product of Iqos, the Iqos Iluma. So let's open. So I actually like the the packaging, and this is what I like with Iqos. It seems to be very luxurious. The packaging itself, it's wow. So I have here now the item, and look how chic it is. Yeah, this is the Iqos Iluma. See, the packaging is hard, and this is the color. So I bought the green one. So this is the charger, And all we have to do is just to insert this device into this here. Yeah. So now it doesn't have a battery, so I still have to charge this. Then it also comes with the charger. Let's see. Okay. So what does this Iqos Iluma? So this is a revolutionary Iqos Iluma series takes heated tobacco to the next level of tobacco experience, featuring the innovative bladeless smart core induction system and paired with all new Terea tobacco sticks. Iqos Iluma is groundbreaking new way of heating tobacco instead of burning it. The result, a better experience, no tobacco residue, broken blades or cleaning, and as most users agree, there's less smell than ever before. For a cleaner, smoke-free tobacco experience, like no farther than Iqos Iluma. So it has no blades, unlike the old one. So as you can see, so this is the old Iqos Iluma. This is called Iqos Duo. So as you can see here, it has a blade on it, and when you're going to insert the tobacco, so it's going to break at the middle, and then it's going to heat the tobacco, and that's when the smoke produces. And the only thing here is the burnt tobacco stuck inside, so I had to keep cleaning on it, and I have to buy some cleaning devices, or sometimes I use the cotton buds to clean it. I know it's not the right thing to do, but if I run out of those cleaning buds, then I really have to use the cleaning. It also comes with a cleaner as well, but this one, it doesn't require any cleaning. So I also bought the tobacco itself, this one, yeah. And I have actually so this is the tobacco that is used only for Iluma. So here it has both filter here and the other side. So unlike the old one, the filter is only here, and here you can see the tobacco. But this one, it doesn't have, you cannot see the tobacco inside because it has both filters, and since it's bladeless, so there's no need for you to, so there will be no tobacco that will come out, and so therefore there's no need for you to clean the device at any time. So yeah, this is something that I really love to try. So again, it's 280 dirhams in UAE. I found it in Manar Mall, and I'm going to charge it now and try this new Iqos Iluma. So again, please, if you're not smoking, do not try it because this is not good for your health. But if you are a smoker and you try to, or you wanted to try to stop smoking or reducing the amount of cigarettes intake in a day, then this is actually a good thing for you to stop smoking. I tried it and it works for me. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.
Yeah.